a new 40 Glock. Fuck on your bitch, make that hoe want a milli rock. I'm with my boy.
It ain't focusing. Yeah, that's FLE. How we finna get in the house? Look, y'all. So we gonna make this as high as possible. So we got chili pepper. We got some slap your mama, some hot sauce. You gotta get the spur cheese. Got hot grilled cheese. Cause look, you got to like the regular grilled cheese, and you gotta eat the hot grilled cheese. You gonna use some crushed red pepper. Next up, what you do is you get your butter, right? You get your butter for y'all that know how to cook. I was on Food Network one time. They had me cooking hot grilled cheese, and they said, y'all see how easy that was? You get that, and then what you do is you just start it, right? And then you can move it around if you want to be like a chef. I ain't eat neither, so this is my breakfast for the day. My breakfast and my he said he ain't my dinner.
You gotta go with that shit, nigga. Fuck out of here, man.
Push it, 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 push it. Go get the money, go get the money. 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 Push it, push it, push it, push it, push it.
It's gonna get burnt. You're supposed to put it on the cheese.
How it be when you like got like pepper or something, and then you like sneeze. Where you going, girl? You don't live here no more. You don't live here no more. You gotta go. When you trying to leave? So I'm doing a video by myself because he had to go because I don't know what he was doing. Caught the Be Safe, Be Great search that I just made. I'm gonna have some in a month's time. But yeah, what you do is you back. What you doing?
Big head on the beat.
Big what on the beat? Yeah, Big E. I just bought me a new K. Yeah, Big E. I'll be getting money today. Whoa, yeah. Come here.
That's it right there.
Yeah. Oh, whoa. Yeah. Whoa. I just bought me a new K. Whoa. Yeah. Fuck it, little bitch every day. Oh, whoa. Yeah. I turn it right up on my waist. Oh, whoa. Yeah. You run up on me, I'ma spray. Oh, whoa. Yeah. I just bought me a new K. Oh, whoa. Yeah. I'm getting money every day. Oh, whoa. Yeah.
Look at that. Y'all see that? Gotta do is y'all gotta smush it down though. And then
Shawty, yeah, what it do? Tokyo in the cool. Watch out my diamond shit, yeah. Nigga ain't shining shit, yeah. You know what it is. Fuck it, don't get in the mill. Shawty be mine tonight, yeah. I know I'm fresh in sight. These niggas talking about Mike.
He can't make none of my food. Bruh, I'm Gucci on that. He can't make none of my food.
boy, your girl, boy, you know who eat that?
You gotta beat that out because you don't do shout outs in it.
Yeah, we're gonna do shout outs in our video.
Stop the cap. Last night didn't make it home. Get top like headphones. Attitude shit red bone. Mouth good, head strong. You know I love her the most.
You don't wash your dishes after you done eating. The house will be a mess. So everybody gotta wash the dishes. Anybody gotta wash the dishes.
See, walk right in the crib. I was finna hop out and do that bitch. Big folks say don't do that shit. Now we on our way to the crib. Grabbing the Glocks and cigs. Can't sleep unless we smoking, they dead, homie. And that's what we did. Gang nines, homie dead. He only got one L. Couple months before we clapped his homie. Yeah, I'm talking about L. feds. Should have been prepared.
Alright, y'all, so you finna try it now. Hopefully that's good. Yeah. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
My nigga.
It don't taste bad. It tastes good. It tastes good. I think y'all
Stop the cap.
cook this for your mama. She gonna like it. Give it to us for breakfast.
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
This tastes good. I don't know. After one bite, it tastes good. I can eat this whole thing. That's like breakfast, so it's my food. I gotta eat.
He can't make none of my food.
You ate more than me. I'm the best cook in the world.
You did what you had to do.
I swear to God, it's good. It's good. It's good.
Just don't hit. Don't fall like that. Alright, so look. Go down there, right? Keep going. Oh, make a left. Yeah. Keep going. Oh, make it right. And keep walking, my nigga. He can't make none of my food.
Final review. How was the how did it taste? Was it good? Like, would you cook it for your mama? So you saying it's nasty. So you say I can't cook. You gotta go. Make sure y'all cook that for your mama, your cousin, your sister, your auntie, your grandma, your nurse. You know. But alright, y'all.
Yeah, love, shout, yeah. I used to stay on the side, that's Gwinnett. She only hit me up when she wants sex. I let that got right to a check. I dropped these bags and watered up my neck. Ooh, yeah, had to go and get it right. Had to go and get it right. Had to go and get it right. Hit that bitch with all my might.